today's video I'm going to show you how to control your PC from your phone or your tablet. So let's get started. To do that, we need to download an app called PC Remote. This is the app, it's available on Play Store, download it. After that, on desktop, you will need to download the same app, open your browser and search for PC Remote. Go to the first website and click on download and download from the first link. After you download, you'll find an installer like this. Open it, yes, okay, and keep installing just like what you do normally and click on install. After you install it, you will find the app like this. Open it. After you open it, you will need to make an account. Make an account, it's free, it doesn't require any payment. Just make an account, go to register. After that, login. So to start connecting, you can start connecting using a USB cable or using Wi-Fi. And from here, if your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your PC will appear here. Just enable it, or you can connect using Bluetooth or USB. So I'll connect using Wi-Fi and click on this Windows. On your PC, it will show you a notification. So now it's connected. So now let's start. First, to start by touchpad. So as you can see now, I'm using the phone or the tablet as a touch screen, as a touchpad on your tablet. If it's like a laptop, so I can move my mouse just like this. It's like a touchpad. You can use this in drawing and doing a lot of stuff. Now, as you can see, I'm controlling the mouse. This is the mouse here. Controlling it like this. You can right click, left click, do whatever you want. So this is the first thing, using it as a mouse. Also, you can open a keyboard from here. Let's open my mouse here and search for something. Choose use a folder and open that. So if we go for games and select some games from here, let's say from this Bomberman. Also from here, you have a lot of layouts for a lot of games like Assassin's Creed, Call of Duty, Cyberpunk. And you can also make your custom layouts. Just click on add, select new landscape layout, and from here add anything you want like a button or a joystick like this. And to use this, let's say for example on this OBS Studio, let's go to hotkey. You can select any button you want and select it as a shortcut. After that, you can save it and it will work fine. So you can switch scenes and use your tablet or your phone as a stream deck. So for games, let's say for example you want to play Peace and you open this Xbox 360 and you open the game, just identify it as a controller and it will work fine. It will appear on the game settings. Unlocked, I don't have any of them here right now. Also, there are some utilities like remote desktop. So now I can show my whole screen on my tablet and control it just like this. I mirrored the screen from here to here and I can control it with my pen just like this. So from these tools, you have to select which one you use. If you select mouse, this will make you use the desktop mouse and will not enable the touch, and you have to select multi-touch to control it from your tablet. So let's say I want to type something here. I'll open the keyboard and start typing whatever I want. You can start drawing, let's say for example like this. If I want to explain something or I'm making a tutorial on my PC, so this is it, and delete it from here, cancel. Also there are many tools, you can use whatever you want. So these are some stuff that this app can do and how to use it. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. If you want more videos like this, just tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.